Hey there my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys this two-part tutorial today. I'm going to show you how I got this makeup look and also how I got these curls on my natural hair. So if you want to see, then just keep on watching. So I already began by just co-washing my hair with my color safe Frtifying conditioner, and this has left my hair really nice and soft. I would recommend starting this style on wet or damp detangled hair. Now, separating my hair into smaller workable sections, I'm going to be taking one twist at a time, and I'm just going to be finger combing just to ensure there are no knots or tangles in each section. Taking my olive oil eco styler gel, I'm going to apply a generous amount, and this is like the holy grail gel for natural hair, guys. I'm going to apply a generous amount to the hair. First, I'm going to smooth the product into each section, and then I'm going to go in with my fingers and rake the product through. The raking motion is what is going to cause the curls to form, so I would recommend doing this process on hair that is already detangled. So just like that, this is the result that you will get. So let's repeat that one more time. Take a section of hair, take some gel, smooth the gel into the hair really nicely, and apply a generous amount. After smoothing it in, don't forget to go ahead and apply extra product where necessary, but after you smooth it in, you can go ahead and just rake your fingers through the hair. As I said, this is what is going to help us to form those really nice, gorgeous curls that we want. To lock in moisture, reduce frizz, and also to counteract any flaking from the gel, I'm going to apply my Organics Jojoba Oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I'm just smoothing the oil over my hair from ends to roots. Taking some outerless hair ties, I'm just going to put my hair into a ponytail. This is going to reduce shrinkage as our hair air dries. As you guys can see, I already have foundation on and one eye is already done. So taking this LA Girl Pro concealer, I'm applying a little bit of that to my lids and just blending it up into my crease with my fingers. This concealer is in Fawn. Taking this gel liner and a synthetic brush, I'm going to apply that all over my lid, and I'm also going to be blending this up into my crease. This is going to act as a base for all our eyeshadow colors. For a smooth transition, I'm just going to blend some of this pressed powder into my crease. You guys already know this is like my favorite move, and it just helps all the other transition colors and the eyeshadow just to blend and gradually smooth in. So I'm taking this blue from this palette here, and I'm using a wet eyeshadow brush just to apply this to my inner and outer third of my lid. Next, taking this rose gold, I'm applying that right in the center where we didn't apply any eyeshadow, and this is going to act as our sun for our sunset. So yeah, pack that on really nicely. Right on top, I'm going to put this copper color from my Miss Doozy palette. It's just a really beautiful copper shimmer. I'm just going to pack that on to intensify the gold. And of course, go back in, blend out all of that to ensure there are no harsh lines. Next, taking this brown, I'm going to be using that to define my crease, and I'm concentrating it on the outer part of my crease, and I'm going to take it into the crease and also on my lower lash line just to smoke out the eyes. Then using this teal color, I'm applying that right into my tear duct. Then I'm using this matte color for my brow bone highlight. Next, I'm gonna be lining my eyes with my LA Colors liquid liner. I won't be wearing lashes, so I just thought this was definitely mandatory for me. You don't have to do this, but yeah. Then I'm applying mascara, and I'm applying a generous amount because I won't be wearing false lashes. For my lips, I'm mixing a different variations of pinks. I'll be listing all the products in the description bar below, so go ahead and check that out. But right on top, I'm going to be applying this pink gloss from Second Love Cosmetics, and it's called Soulmate. To finish the face, I'm going to be applying a bronzer because I won't be using a blush, and you guys know this is my favorite bronzer right now, Bronze Glow by LA Colors. To set the face, I'm going to go ahead and spray my e.l.f. Mist and Set. I absolutely love this setting spray. And here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at NaturallyMsToya. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.